In this video, we will learn what is reporting and analytics in Datto RMM. Datto RMM offers robust reporting and analytics capabilities to help IT service providers and organizations gain insight into their managed devices and networks. Here's an overview of the reporting features within Datto RMM. First is pre-build reports. Datto RMM provides a range of pre-build reports designed to address common IT management needs. Patch Compliance Report. This report provides insight into the patch status across managed devices, highlighting which devices are up to date and which ones require attention. Device Inventory Report. It offers a comprehensive view of all managed devices, including hardware specification, software inventory, and network information. Alerts and Alarms Report. This report summarizes the alerts and alarms generated by monitored devices, helping IT teams identify trends, recurring issues, and areas for improvement. Performance Metrics Report. It provides performance data for managed devices, such as CPU usage, memory usage, disk space, and network bandwidth, helping IT teams optimize resource allocation and identify potential bottlenecks. Next is customization option. In addition to pre-build reports, Datto RMM offers customization option to tailor reports to specific organizational requirements. Some customization options include Custom Report Builder. Datto RMM provides a flexible report builder tool that allows users to create custom reports based on their unique needs. Users can define reports parameters, select data resource, and choose from a variety of visualization options. Scheduled reports. Users can schedule reports to be generated and delivered automatically at a specific interval. These features ensures that stakeholders receive timely insight without manual intervention. Filtering and sorting. Datto RMM allows users to filter and sort data within reports based on various criteria, such as device type, location, or software version. This flexibility enables users to focus on specific subset of data and drill down into areas of interest. Export options. Reports can be exported in various formats, including PDF, CSV, and Excel, facilitating easy sharing and integration with other tools and systems. White labeling. Datto RMM supports white labeling of reports, allowing users to customize report branding with their organization's logo, colors, and formatting. Next is benefits. The reporting capabilities within Datto RMM offer several benefits. First is visibility. Users gain comprehensive visibility into their managed devices and networks, enabling informed decision-making and proactive problem resolution. Next, compliance. Pre-built reports help organizations demonstrate compliance with regulatory requirements by providing evidence of security measures, patching activities, and device inventories. Efficiency. Customization options and automation features streamline reporting workflows, saving time and reducing manual effort. Client communication. Scheduled report can be automatically delivered to clients, enhancing transparency and fostering trust in the managed service provider. White labeling. Datto RMM support white labeling of reports, allowing users to customize report branding with their organization logo, colors, and formatting.